Prepare to delve into the realm of 5 exceptional plant-based protein sources. If you're enthusiastic about enhancing your plant-based cooking skills, do stick around, because we have a special gift for you towards the end. Number 5. Quinoa. As one of the highest protein grains, quinoa is gluten-free and abundant in minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc. Its versatility shines in dishes from salads to stir-fries, boasting a nutty flavor and a slightly chewy texture. Number 4. Lentils. Lentils take the lead in vegan protein. Packed with nutrients, fiber, folate, potassium, they're adaptable in soups, stews, curries, and even as meat substitutes. And they're budget-friendly too. Number 3. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, elevate dishes like hummus, curries, and salads.
Take 2.
Roast them for a satisfying crunch. With a creamy texture and nutty taste, chickpeas enrich any meal. Number 2. Hemp seeds. Tiny but mighty, hemp seeds offer a nutrient-packed punch with an impressive amino acid profile. Abundant in brain-boosting omega-3 and anti-inflammatory properties. Mildly nutty, they elevate salads, smoothies, yogurt, and oatmeal. Number 1. Tofu. Derived from soybeans, tofu is an incredibly versatile plant food. Did you know that in China, its birthplace, tofu is commonly enjoyed with meat, defying its vegan and vegetarian stereotype? Low in saturated fat, cholesterol, and available in various textures, tofu is easily digestible and rich in protein, especially the extra firm type. If you're new to cooking tofu, don't worry. Discover the secrets to becoming a tofu master and creating perfectly flavored dishes for any occasion through the free Tofu Mastery course below.